Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. Today I'm very nervous and I'm also very excited because today we will be doing this $2,100 phone, the HUAWEI Mate 10 with porch design. I'm sure a lot of you have already either read about this or watched videos about this, even it was released in November last year, but I think it might still wonder why is this phone so darn expensive and what is really about this phone that makes it so expensive, almost impossible, other than which is obviously even marked here, the box, the phone, the accessories, all designed by Porsche. So said, I'm gonna fill you all up with a little paragraph that HUAWEI has on its official website about this Porsche designed Mate 10 before I dig into the box. I actually have a little note right here, excuse me for that. So according to HUAWEI's official website, this is a phone that HUAWEI and Porsche jointly released, aiming on building a breathtaking, high-performance, luxury smartphone. And I repeat that, a luxury smartphone. So let me get rid of this cheat sheet and my little note here. Let's open it up. Wow, this is very exciting. Right here, the $2,100 HUAWEI phone. Let me unlock it. There you go. I'm gonna put it right here next to me with the support. So right here next to the phone, an authentication card right next to it. Not sure if you can see the effects right here. This is really nice, makes you feel very special. You could either just leave it here or put it in your wallet. Well, it's an option, it's a card obviously. Underneath this tray, there are a lot of accessory here. 2 sockets, this one for Euro, this one for US, earphones, and 2 cables to go with the charging. And it seems like what this is, a leather phone case. Wow. I really hope you all can actually smell it, what I'm smelling right now, even the box, not just the case. It's just exactly the same smell when you're sitting in a new car with the leather seat. I'm actually not a huge fan of this, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Well, finally, a huge, very tight, bulky box underneath the phone cover. A pin, a metal pin here for a SIM card. Let's see. Well, honestly, I thought they got me 2 sockets, but no headphone jack adapter, but there you go, right inside the box with this super thick user manual. Wow, super thick, and a warranty card. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing and the accessories. Let's get back to the phone. I'm just gonna move it back. Carefully, I'm just gonna remove its sticker at the back. There's actually another sticker, screen protector right here on the screen, but it's kind of hard to remove, so I'm just gonna leave it here. It wouldn't affect much. So for the phone itself, 6-inch AMOLED screen with over 80% screen to body ratio, 8 megapixel front camera right here, 12 plus 20 megapixel rear cameras. But keep in mind, both of the rear cameras are actually from Leica. Fingerprint recognition below the cameras, which I've pre-registered already, and let's test it out right now. See, it's unlocked. And then there you go. It's really fast, literally the fastest one I've ever experienced. Let's do this again. it's locked and then bam. So let me put it back. Inside, 6 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, no memory expansion option available, but honestly, who really needs an expansion when there's already 256 gigs loaded and ready to go? Android 8.0 Oreo, high silicon Kirin 960 processor, octa-core clocking in at 1.8 GHz, 4000 milliamps of battery equipped inside a barely 8mm slim body. Couldn't ask for a slimmer body with this battery capacity, I mean like seriously. So, finally, this is not a super fragile high-end luxury phone even though I'm holding it very, very gently. It is actually an IP67 dust water resistant phone. So that's pretty much it about this today's super expensive high-end luxurious phone, HUAWEI Mate 10 Porsche design. I personally think that if you're simply looking for an Android phone with great performance, great specs, and etc., this is probably not the phone that you should go with given it's literally over $2,000 US. But if you're a collector, a Porsche fan, a HUAWEI fan, or even a Leica fan, this is the phone that you should go for. I'm pretty confident that it won't let you down. So that's it. Like and subscribe to our channel. This is Jamie. I'll see you next time.